Hello and welcome. If you watched my last video, you'll know that I am using the same colors that I used in that video, so I'm just still playing around with the neon colors, definitely feeling the vibe. Today I'm going to be doing a reverse ring with the black and white first, and then I'm going to do the reverse ring again with the neon colors on top. When I originally started using these neon colors, I just had one painting idea in mind, and once I was done with that one, I came up with about 5 additional painting ideas, and then from there I came up with 5 more. So this is going to be so much fun. I love the colors, they're so bright, and they're drying so bright as well. So thank you guys for watching, I really do appreciate it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Not a lot of paint. I forgot to say this is a 18 by 24 inch canvas. I'm really using what's left. So I just added some white in between there, and I gotta stretch this out just a little bit. Honestly, this is a painting in of itself. Look at those colors, look at that. That's pretty cool. It's just not a lot of paint on here, but I do want to stretch it out as much as I can before I add my neon colors. It's something running real fast, you see that? I think it was that white. So honestly, I'm glad I used it up. I don't have any more, so I just have to mix more white, but I think it was that white. Okay, I don't know how I'm gonna get to the other corner, but there's like not a lot of paint on here at all. this, I might stretch off too much color there a bit. And more white in here. No? Okay. That black. There's some more black here. Whoa, there was a bunch of black there. Solid blocks of color though. I gotta break it up somehow. Just breaking up some of those solid colors. Okay. Don't fall. And I think it's the white, and that's fine because I don't have any more of it. Bye bye white. This is really pretty. Perfect amount of color. Again, by the black and the white, or the white being too thin, he was able to like creep through the colors. I don't know, but I just like it a lot. And honestly, you're gonna see another one of these because of the white being as thin as it was. I mean, I just really like to do another one so that I can get Try it again. I just want to try it again, basically. I just want to try it again. Even with my super thin white. Okay, just cleaning up my sides, but I'll bring you guys in for a close-up of this beauty, because that she is. Here it is in all its beauty, in all its glory. Just a nice balance of color with the black and white. I love how it like blended in with one another, kind of created that crackle look, and that comes from the satin enamel. Look at that. So pretty. I can't wait to see how this dries. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you aren't subscribed, please consider doing so.